welcome to our video. Hey, it's been a minute. I figured I'd shoot a video. There's a train crossing here, and there's about 15 flatbeds of all the rail that the train rides on. I guess they're going to be replacing it and fixing it. And I've never seen it before. The train stops and starts, and they actually just pull it off, and it's being let down on next to it, so I guess they can do it later. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. It's really cool. So that top roll is staying there. Very interesting how they slide it off there. They're going to have to cut that because see the cars there. So I guess right there, then they connect it to the piece right below it and start pulling on that one. Right there, the end piece. So I guess he's got a torch out now. He's cutting it because I guess they just can't let it lay over the road there. He's got road stop. So I'm assuming, up there it goes, it just cut. I'm assuming now he's going to pull forward and then maybe start putting it down over here. And he's making a call. Train now. It's definitely pretty cool. And right there, you can see it's where dropping the rail off. Oh, they're doing two at a time. Oh, how cool is that? That makes sense. That way when they fix it. Oh well, I gotta get out of here. Have a good one, everyone.